Chopin's Ballade No. 2 tells a story in contrasts. An innocent starting dream interrupted by fury. It begins in youthful light, ends with fire. The challenge? Make both worlds feel real and connected. The opening is like a landscape at sunrise, soft, warm, innocent. Approach it with childlike grace, yet with the faintest shadow of unease lingering at the edge of awareness. Don't overvoice or dramatize. This world is still unbroken, untouched by sorrow. When the violent section erupts, it must feel like a storm tearing the sky. But don't lose clarity. Every note matters, especially in chaos. Let the fury be focused and captivating. The gentle theme returns, but it's changed. Now it's a memory. Fragile, dimmed, touched by pain. Play it like a ghost, retracing the steps of a place once known, only to be drawn hesitantly, helplessly toward the next approaching storm. The final outburst is not a triumph, it's a cry of anguish. The ending is fractured, desperate, still resisting. Let it be raw, but always musically shaped. What matters most is that an unnecessary rush doesn't undermine the drama, because even in collapse, Chopin preserves form. Don't treat this piece as two moods stitched together. It's one story of innocence, interruption, and irreversible change. Let the listener feel the break and what's left after. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos about music, piano, interpretation, emotion, and everything that makes music great and human. Please subscribe, like, and press the bell button to stay up to date. See you soon and have an awesome day.